everybody from Cheeky Chickens group. I'm glad to be with you today and to show you what is the action of the new letter sound. Put your hands up and imagine that you're holding very tight, very heavy thing. So let's lift this thing. So let me show you now on the board how we write sound diagram. There are two letter sound and g, but we pronounce only the name of the first letter. So let's start from the top, going down, then going back again, up, going down, curve without stopping. This is the join hand. Here you're gonna stop, then go back down for caterpillar K, going up and down to the left and saying One more time, going down from the top, up, going around, then going down, flick without stopping, going up, here stop, going back for caterpillar K, going down and up, and then again down to the left side. The third time, once again going down from the top, up, going around, then curve without stopping, join hand, stop here, going back, turn, going up, then down to the left. Let's read some words with sound. Sang, sang. King, king. Song, song. Long, long. Bang, bang. And the last one, long, long. Thank you for being with me. See you next time. Bye.